Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to reorder experiences on your LinkedIn profile. This is a really useful feature if you want to highlight your most relevant work experience at the top, making your profile more impactful to recruiters and potential employers who view it. First, you'll need to head over to linkedin.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can access your profile quickly. Once you've entered your email and password, you'll be taken to your LinkedIn homepage where you can see your feed and various profile options. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and some basic information about yourself. Go ahead and click on your profile. This will take you to your full LinkedIn profile page where you can view all your information as others see it. Once your profile loads, scroll down through the page until you find the experience section. This is where all your current and past job positions are listed. The experience section is usually one of the first major sections after your profile summary, so it shouldn't take too long to locate. When you've found the experience section, look for the pencil icon beside it. This pencil icon is the edit button that allows you to make changes to your experience entries. Click on it to enter the editing mode for this section. After clicking the pencil icon, you'll notice some new options appear. Look toward the top of the experience section and you'll see an up and down arrow icon. This is the reorder tool that LinkedIn provides for rearranging your work experiences. Click on this icon to activate the drag and drop functionality. Now comes the fun part. You can simply click and hold on any of your experience entries, then drag them up or down to rearrange their order. Place your most important or relevant positions at the top where they'll get the most visibility. Think strategically about what you want employers to see first, whether that's your most recent role, your most impressive company, or the position most relevant to jobs you're seeking. Just drag each experience to wherever you want it positioned in the list, and that's it. You've successfully reordered your LinkedIn experiences to better showcase your professional journey. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.